I will start by installing Visual Studio 2017 Community version with you. 2017 is the latest version of Visual Studio at the time I created this course, and Community is the free version that we can use to learn C# without paying anything. Let's check the hardware requirement first. You can go to this URL on the screen to see the full system requirements, but basically, if your machine satisfies these requirements, you should be able to install this version of Visual Studio. Number 1. You are running Windows 7, 8, or 10. You can also install a Windows Server as well, but I will assume that you are running a personal version of Windows. Number 2. Your machine should have a 1.8 GHz or faster processor. Also, dual core or better is recommended. Then you need to have minimum 2 GB of RAM. Also, Microsoft says you need at least 20 GB of free hard disk space. But my installation only takes less than 5 GB because I only install the bare minimum workloads that are necessary for you to go through this course. And finally, you need to have the administrator rights to install Visual Studio.